What's up, science class? I'm Dylan, and I'm the founder of a club called Polyponics. We do aquaponics and hydroponics here at Cal Poly State University. Come on in. So, as I'm sure you're learning, aquaponics has fish. This is our big fish tank. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you, but in the bottom of this tank we have a big carp, maybe a foot long, basically giant goldfish. And these guys are pooping a lot, and they provide food for our bacteria. And the bacteria turn their poop into valuable food for the plants. So the fish live in here, and then from here the water flows over this way. This is our biodiversity pond. This is where water goes after the main fish tank. We have more fish in here. We have snails, we have shrimp, we have crayfish, all kinds of aquatic plants, trying to replicate a natural ecosystem. From here, water flows into our grow beds where we do our plants. This is a flood and drain grow bed, a common hydroponic technique. Flood and drain are also known as ebb and flow. This thing is full of rocks, 1 foot deep. The water is constantly coming in, the water fills it up. And then we have a magical device called a bell siphon that automatically drains the water back down to the bottom. So the water's constantly filling and then drains. In here we have all sorts of little plants. We have lemon balm and strawberries and milkweed and gooseberries and chives and onions and anything. Aquaponics is really special because it can grow it all. Our next grow bed, and another very common hydroponics technique, is deep water culture, also known as DWC or raft technique. So on here you'll see that plants are sitting on styrofoam mats with roots completely submerged in the water. It's really cool because the plant roots don't have to compete or fight for nutrients in water. It's just constantly available to them at all times. Our next grow bed is another flood and drain, same as the first one. Different plants. This is an avocado tree. These are some tomatoes. Aquaponics is really special because it uses such a little amount of water. Really cool. And then down here is where our pump is. These are called our sump tanks. All the water flows via gravity from the top all the way back down to here, where our main pump pumps it all the way back to the top, and it's a closed circle. Water is constantly just cycling around. If you look over here, you can see the third most popular hydroponics technique called nutrient film technique, where water flows in a small PVC pipe in a thin layer, and the roots sit in the water, growing happily. When's your guys' field trip? You should come down.